Alright, so in this video, I just want to quickly go through what types of CPA offers do well on Facebook. Okay, there's about four types of CPA offers that do well on Facebook. The first one is life insurance. Okay, CPA offers related to life insurance do well on Facebook. Another type is car insurance. Okay, CPA offers related to car insurance. Another one is zip submits, where you would enter uh, zip codes. Okay, and lastly, the fourth type of CPA offer that would do well on Facebook is anything related to education. Okay, now some of you might be thinking that, what about weight loss related CPA offers? Well, they are profitable, but just remember that there's lots of competition out